Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to TS Dr. Nazrullah bin Rahman. Today, I, Nur Huda binti Zakaria, and my friend would like to present about the parking compound system. Okay, this is the demonstration of our system. First, we need to register. Enter the ID, first name, last name and password. Then we click submit. Click the login. So we enter the ID that we have registered just now. So first, this is the function that we have created in our system. First is the display all data. This is the record. First, plate number, type of offense, place, date and time, enforcer name, total, and the price after 14 days. Then we go to the main page. The enforcer can insert the data, which is if they want to make some compounds, so they need to insert the detail of the then we choose the type of offense. For example, no ticket. Enter the place. Then select the date. For example, today. Then key in the enforcer name. We click the insert. Then this is the confirmation page. It will display the total price and price after 14 days. After we click the submit, all the data have been inserted in database. If the data is wrong, we need to click cancel and insert again. Okay, so this is the new record of the data that I have inserted just now. So we click back. For update data, we only can update the place. For example, this compound. So we change to, for example, Aikaro. Then we just click this button update. Then the message one rules updated will appear. Then we go to the main page. We also can delete the data. For example, we want to delete this record, so we click this button. Then the message will appear here. So we click back, and if all the data have been inserted or update, we can log out for other enforcer to log in. That's all for demonstration.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Afika Raza. So I will explain about update coding. So this is update. For the update, um, the command here is about the database. So when we want to update the data of the compound, you select from the offense. Offense means the table in the database. This is the coding for uh, the display in the system, so we can see um, plate number of type of offense, place, date, enforcer name, total price after 14 days. So this will display. This is the type of the attribute to get the string. After enforcer change one of the place from the um, one of the compound, and the update, they will update in the database, this one. So after they have update in the database, it will display the database have update. And for the delete, this is the delete coding. This is the same for the database. So if we want to delete, this is the coding for we select from the table, from the offense. So this is the same. This will display in the system of the data. And if we want to delete the information, we have to click delete like the demo. So it will delete the information, and after the delete is successfully, it will show the row, the information have been deleted, and we have to refresh, and will display in the the display information. So that's for delete coding. Next is a insert. I will pass to Adila.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Adillah and I will present about insert servlet code. Okay, this is insert servlet coding. Okay, for this part is about declaration to get the parameter from the HTML. Okay, after that this coding is about to get the declaration to get connection with the database. Okay, after connection is successful, to know the connection is successful, the message driver is load and also database is successfully connected will be appear at the form at the system. Okay, after that, um, we declare the coding to insert the data to the database, to the offense database table. The data will be insert using this command dot set strings command, and the inserted data will be insert according to this command. For example, when user insert the number plate, type, place, date, enforcer name, then the data will be insert to that table in database. After the data successful recorded, the message record has been inserted will be appear at the system. Then the data that we insert will display at system using this code. Okay, this code is to display the data. Okay, display data will be insert using the get string code for this one code. Okay, after that back button. So after the user click on the back button, be back to the insert data.html form.
Okay, after that, I will present about display coding. Okay, this part is same like before. Is a connection to the database. This one is coding to select from the database offense. Until this is about to display the information, same like the display at the insert servlet coding before. The message record have been successfully displayed will appear at the that's all.
My name is General Aini. I will explain about the calculation process. So for the calculation process, from the for insert data, after the enforcer insert the data in the form, this one in the HTML file, after he or she click the button submit, the calculation process will occur. So it's the calculation process Java. So this one, in this calculation process, we use do post method, and then for this part, this is to get the parameter from the insert data HTML that the enforcer input. So after the enforcer click the submit button, this calculation process will occur. This one we assign the total for the offense, such as no ticket 30 ringgit, parking overtime 40 ringgit and wrong parking is 50 ringgit. But after that, we also calculate for payment after 14 days, which is the price will be double. And then this one is to set attribute, which is we want to set attribute in the database, like number plate. This is a parameter and the declaration in the database. So this is if we want to request the set attribute such as a number plate, type of offense, place, date, and enforcer name, total, and late price. So this process will go to the calculation JSP file. In this JSP file, it will display the confirmation page, which is we will display the data the enforcer input, such as this one, select a form, and then this request attribute, which is we want to request attribute that we set in the calculation process at the Java file. And then the display one cannot be edit, just want to display and confirm. For type of offer also we request the get attribute from the previous file until the price, total price, and price after 40 days. And then after the enforcer click the submit, and then the process will go to insert servlet, which is it will insert all the data including the total and late price into the database. So that's all for the packet compound system. Thank you.